Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Avinash. So in this video, I will show you one sample JavaScript trick that can replace 10 lines of code with just one clean line. If you are using loops for array processing after this video, you will never write them again. Now let's take an simple example of users, which is an array of we would have the ID is 1, the name active, let's say active, which is true. Okay. Similarly, we have a lot of users. So we have a list of three users and which are some of active and some of are non-active. So the problem is find the name of active users. What will you do? So we would have a old approach that we can have like using the for loop. I should be uses that length and this kind of thing. After that, we can have like this. If users of I is active, then what we can do, we can print the name. Now let's uh, run this file. Okay, node index.js. So you can see we have two names, Alice and Charlie. So this approach do the work, okay, but it is not readable. And if you are having a lot of logic and method chaining, then it would be hard to read for the other developers and maintain the code. So what we can do, we can use the JavaScript high order functions, which are like filter, map, for each. So these kind of methods. So let's use them. Use users dot filter. We will take a user, okay, and we would have a function that if the user is active, then filter that user. After that, we would have the list of users. After that, we can traverse that using the map. And what we can say that print the name of that user. So this will do the same job. So we have to remove this one. So you can see the same job, but it is in the very different way. It's only in the one line. Also, what you can do, if the array of users is null or empty, then it will give us an error. Okay, so in that case, see, it is giving us an error. What we can do, we can do the optional chaining over here. If we are having user and in user we are having the active, and if we are having the name of that, then it won't give us any error. See, user is not having any value, then it will not do the processing. Okay, the filter method won't run because we don't have any users. So we have the time complexity and all these things as same as the for loop, but the readability increases and it reduces the chance of bug in the application. So when you should not use like these kind of things, when you want to break a loop in between, okay, and you have complex state logic, then you can go with the for loop. Okay, so this was the short video on the JavaScript higher order functions and how you can write better code. So if you found this video helpful, like this video and you can subscribe the channel also. And if you have any doubt and if you want any video to be made on some topic, then you can definitely comment it below. I will making the same. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.